Hey everybody, this video, got an American 1100. I got these 10 on eBay. Seen another one in video that I did impressioning a lock. I had 10 of these without keys, so I impressioned one. I picked the other 9 and actually made keys. I didn't do it on video, so I figured I'd do a picking video for a few of them before I stick them back for sale. Key on this one was 24313. Okay, let's open. Go ahead and gut it. I'm gonna pick this one to do first here. So I've already taken all these apart. Out of the 10, a couple of them actually had master pins in them, so I ended up dumping the springs and everything on all of them just to if there was any, get rid of them. So I'm gonna do a key so I can go ahead and lock it back. Shows this one to do first here because it had unusual top pins. At least I think it was this one, so I got it mixed up here, but I don't think I did. Yeah, there's number 4 that fell out. There we go. Yeah, go drivers here. Pretty sure this was the one that had these weird, look almost like anti-bump pins. Shoot. Anybody see where that went? There it is. It's almost like an anti-bump pin is what it looks like. It doesn't have, it's not a serrated pin or or spool. There's a good look at it right there. And my silky smooth hands from avoiding manual labor most of my life. Get the other 5 of these out here. 4 of them, I mean. Yeah, I'd never seen pins like this in an American lock, so I don't know if this was serviced at some point. I mean, these locks were heavily used. Okay, and then the springs were all just regular run-of-the-mill American springs. It's American 1100, and a single pin picked and gutted, and that'll do it for this video, and I will talk to everybody later.